right. So we're going to graph V, W, and X. So negative 2, negative 4. So negative 2, negative 4. Positive 3, negative 4. So X, so this one is V, this one is W, and X is negative 6, negative 1. So this is X. All right, so we want to create a rhombus, right? Oh, sorry, hold on. All right, can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we want to create a rhombus. So that means I need to create a parallelogram. So I can count, if I connect this line here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means I need 5 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be my other point here, which is Y. Because if I connect this and this and this and this is what I get. So that point is negative 1, negative 1. So then it says, to check all 4 sides are the same length, first use the coordinate plane to find the lengths of sides V and W. So you're going to take a ruler, right? So if I measure that, this is 2.5. And then if I remeasure this, even though it's not straight, it's 2.5 as well. Okay? So what do the sides measure? They measure 2.5 centimeters. So next, mark off the scale of the grid units. So we know that if this is 5 units, and it was 2.5, right? So that means this has to be 5 units. This one has to be 5 units. And this one has to be 5 units. So we're going to say 5 units. So it is a rhombus. Okay? So that's how you would do number 7. Go back to right here.
A closed plane figure.
Right.
By 3 or more lines that intersect only at their endpoints.
Okay, so do I have an endpoint here?
No.
No. So it is not a polygon. And the reason is because of that circle, arc, whatever you want to call it.
Okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay, so plot points 1, 2, and 3, 5. So 1, 2 would be here, and that is K. 3, 5, so go over 3 up to 5, so that would be here, and that is L. So it says, what possible coordinates for point J will make figure JKL a right triangle? Okay, so if I want to make it a right triangle, I can go down and over, right, and connect them. So this could be J. So that point is 3, 2. Or I could take this over and then go down. So that point could be J, and that point looks like 1, 5. So 3, 2, and 1, 5. All right, so it should be down here, right? So positive 4, negative 5, yeah. So we can use this coordinate. So 4, 5, so that is D. And then E is negative 2, negative 5, so that is here. So that is E. So it says, okay, so what are the coordinates for point F? So from here to here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And it's a triangle, is that right? Yes, it's a triangle.
So it'd be
So basically, we would just need to split it, right? So if I am an isosceles, there's only 2 sides that are the same. So if this is 1, 2, 3, I could basically put a point anywhere right there and draw a line. So I can also put it here, right? So if I put it there, then the lines would be there and there. If I put it there, then my lines would be there and there, right? So I could just about do any of those points that go straight up. But it has to stay in quadrant 4. So I can't make it up here because that would no longer be in quadrant 4. So I could use, it could be any point here. So I could do that point. So that point would be 1, negative 1. Or I could do 1, negative 2. 1, negative 3, 1, negative 4, and then I could do 1, negative 5. So any of those points would work. Straight up that line. Okay? So, right, so it says explain how to use a ruler. So basically we could measure them, right? So measure the distance from, because this would be F, from F to E and F to D. So that's what you would do. Use a ruler. Yes?
it could be negative 5, right? Because that would be on...
Negative 5 would be on the line, so no, negative 5 can't work. Oh, wait. You're right, this one can't work. My bad. So just those 4. All right, Miss Patel, you have a question?
Yeah, can you help me with 11.1, actually?
Yeah, I have to go back to that one.
Because I'm confused on, like, 6.
All right, so remember I said when we have fractions, you just kind of have to guesstimate where it's at. But I shouldn't even have to look at that graph. I know that this is positive and this is negative. So remember, quadrant 1 is positive, positive. Quadrant 2 is negative, positive. Quadrant 3 is negative, negative. And quadrant 4 is positive, negative. So which one of those quadrants is positive, negative?
Quadrant 4.
Yep. So that's all you would need to write. Okay?
I got
Below drew the figure on the coordinate plane. Classify the figure with as many terms as possible. Well, we know it's definitely a polygon, right? Because it's a closed figure. It's not a quadrilateral because it has more than 4 sides. Where'd my pen go? Sorry. Here it is. All right, so we know it's a polygon. How many sides does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So, and what's an 8-sided figure?
An octagon.
Yeah, it's like an octopus, right? So it is an octagon. And that's it. Polygon and octagon. Once again, 11.1 and 11.2 in your bell ringer needs to be uploaded before midnight. You guys have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend, Miss Lavelle. See
Bye-bye.
you tomorrow. See you Monday.
Okay, bye-bye.